Good afternoon. Today our topics books of original entry. Books of original entry. What do you mean by books of original entry? Business transactions are numerous and it becomes difficult to record all the transaction in one book of primary entry, that is journal, which is their others names books of original entry. But when the size of business grow or increasing day to day, as a result the number of transaction becomes more or very large, and it is not possible to record all the transaction in one journal only. As such, the journal is subdivided into a number of special journal. This is known as subsidiary books or day books, subsidiary books or day books or books of original entry. Okay. Now these books of original entry only recorded, each subsidiary books is meant for recording all the transactions of a similar nature, say cash book, all cash transactions or cash receipts or cash payments recorded their special book, that is cash book. Now these are 5 divided: cash book, number 2 purchase book, number 3 sales book. Cash book means to record the receipts and payments of cash and all banking transaction also. Next, purchase book. Purchase books are record only to record the credit purchase of goods. Point number 3, sales book, to record the credit purchase. In this case recorded their purchase book, credit purchase, but sales book record only to record the sales on credit. Another, purchase return or others name return outward, to record the return of goods previously purchased on credit. Point number 5, sales books or return inward book. What is this? To record the return of credit sales made by the customers. Okay. Another point number 6, journal proper. That means subsidiary books may be divided into their 6. Number 1 cash book, number 2 purchase books, number 3 sales book, number 4 purchase return or return outward books, and number 5 sales return or return inward book, and number 6 journal proper. Journal proper means to record the transactions which cannot be recorded in any of the above, that means 1 to 5, not recorded cash book, purchase book, sales book, purchase return books, all sales return book. These are recorded the special, that is journal proper. Now next discuss the advantages of subsidiary books. What are the advantages of subsidiary books? Now subsidiary books, their main advantages: first, they are the division of work. Number 2, their specialization and efficiency also. Number 3, saving of time. Number 4, availability of information. All information should be available with the help of these books of original entry or subsidiary books. There are another advantages: it facilitates in checking, and again also it flexible, easily change, and again also they are to fixation of their responsibility. These are the main advantages of subsidiary books. Now next discuss cash book. Cash book, what is the meaning of cash book? Only cash transactions are recorded cash transaction, only cash transaction. That means business transaction, two types of transaction, cash transactions and credit transactions. Credit transactions are not recorded in the cash book, only cash transactions are recorded in the cash book. This book is used to record all transactions relating to receipts and payments during the month, during the year. These books enables a businessman to know the balance of cash in hand and cash at bank at any point of time. Okay. Hence, this is a very popular book and maintained by all the organizations, small and large organizations, all are follow under cash book. Now next their theory portions again. Cash book is a subsidiary book and a principal book. Why? Cash book, cash and bank transactions are recorded in cash book, and on the basis of such records that the ledger accounts are prepared. Therefore, cash book is a subsidiary book. Subsidiary book, and also cash book by itself is cash account and bank account, both are recorded, cash account and bank account. The balance are entered in trial balance directly. So we can say cash book is a part of ledger also, and it is there another names also. Cash book is the principal books. Lastly, we can say that cash book is thus both a subsidiary book and a principal book. Okay. Now next, why cash book is a journalized ledger? Journalized ledger, that means journal and ledger both are present. What is the meaning of journal? What is the meaning of ledger? In earlier classes discussed in details. Now why cash book is a journalized ledger? That means both are similarities, cash book with journal, cash book with ledger are present. Cash book is prepared only in a journal as well as ledger, and hence it may be called journalized ledger. What are the similarities? In the case of journal, journal are recorded in date wise, but cash book also recorded their date wise. Journal also recorded their narration, cash book also recorded their narration. Just like as journal, transactions from cash book are also posted to their relevant accounts in the ledger. Similarly also, just like as journal, a cash book also contains the ledger folio column also. Next, there are another similarities of cash book with ledger. Ledger is the main book, that means left hand side and right hand side. But cash book, when you prepare cash book also there are two sides, left hand side, debit sides, right hand sides, credit side. Now what are the similarities of cash book with ledger? Their first similarities, form of cash book closely resembles to a ledger accounts. It has their two equally divided, left hand side and right hand sides. Okay. Number two, their similarities, cash book itself serve as a cash account also, and as such when cash book is maintained, cash account is not open in the ledger. The cash book hence is a part of ledger also. Okay. Now just like as ledger recorded debit side to, credit side by, same also in the cash book, ledger side, debit side is recorded to and credit side is recorded by. And another similarity is also, it is also their balance, just like as ledger accounts, debit balance and credit balance also. Okay. Now what are the advantages of cash book? There are so many advantages. Main advantages of cash book are, number one, cash book is a journal as well as ledger. When a cash book is maintained, no separate cash account is open in the ledger. Number 2, cash book is not open in the ledger, it prevents the size of the ledger from becoming 2 volumes also. Next, again their advantages, both cash and bank transaction can be entered in the cash book. Number 4, a businessman to know the balance of cash in hand and cash at bank at any point of time without waiting for posting from the journal. This is the main advantages. And another advantage also, it gives information about daily receipts and daily payments also, and the closing balance of cash in hand and cash at bank at the end of the each day or each week or month or yearly also is find out. Another advantage is the cash balance as shown in the cash book must be equal to the actual cash in hand. By a regular verification of actual cash in hand with the balance shown by the cash book, the possibility is reduced to minimum. Now, let's discuss the types of cash book. Cash book generally divided into their 4 types of cash book. 4 types of cash book. Number 1, that is single column cash book. Single column cash book. Single column cash book. Number 2, double column cash book. Number 3, triple column cash book also. Triple column cash book or 3 column cash book. Triple column cash book. And number 4, petty cash book. Petty cash book. Single column cash book only recorded from cash transaction. Left hand sides 1 column, right hand sides 1 column. Only cash transactions are recorded. That is known as single column cash book. And double column cash book, double column means 2 column, either cash and discount or bank and discount or cash and bank. Okay, double column, left hand side 2 column, right hand side also 2 column. Triple column cash book, the 3 column cash, bank and discount. Left hand side 3 column, right hand side 3 column. And another cash book, petty cash book, small expenses recorded the separate cash book, that is petty cash book. Now single column cash book, only their format, left hand side debit sides, right hand side credit side, also their left hand side also date, particulars, voucher number, ledger folio, amount. Similarly credit sides date, particulars, voucher number, ledger folio. This is the theory portions of books of original entry. Thank you.